Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju.
It's still book you.
Are you okay?
No. My allergies just started to flare up. Sorry.
Okay, you alright?
I don't know.
All right. Welcome back, my chickadees.
Hi.
It is our Margaret Miller week 43. Bless you.
Thank you. We're gonna be hearing a lot of sneezes in this video. Sorry.
All right, our week 43 is a personal animal emotion, something with a lid or cover, an image from a magazine, and anything associated with water, an old telephone number, and a bonus is a colorful washi tape. Okay, I forgot the colorful washi tape. I'm going to put this down because I want some lace, because I just want some lace. Girl, you sniffing and snorting and carrying on?
Ain't my fault, it's my allergies. My allergies decided to flare up. They flare up in the mornings and afternoons the most.
Okay.
Or the middle of the night.
Goodness gracious. Alright, we've got a person in motion. Okay, look.
Juju. I wonder what the mystery fruit is. Wait. I think I actually know now. Because the shape does something that I know.
I want to put her down. That's our image from the magazine. I want to put her down like that.
Can we introduce the kitty cat to the video?
No.
No?
I
Why?
don't like that.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's got her feet coming off. Dadgummit. Didn't I have this? I had this on here where it all fit in some kind of way.
I'm losing the game.
Maybe I had her foot cut off.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. I guess I had her foot cut off.
Oh, the cat decided to come and introduce his own self.
Did he?
Oh, he's like, I want to be in the video. You already are in the video because we're already talking about you, kitty. Did you look at this?
Hmm?
Look at this.
I see it. And something associated water is a conch shell. And a Jamaican newsletter. And then a telephone number. Because if you know, you know. All right, there we go. Now let's trim this bad boy up here. I don't know why this is taking so long. Do what?
Then I got through. I got through Carry 4. I keep getting done.
What is that game you're playing?
I don't know the name of it, but it's something crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah. There's big humans with the little humans.
Big humans with little humans?
The mini tiny human. Look. The mini tiny human with the huge human.
Oh my god.
The huge humans take over us.
I don't know. That's silly looking.
I'm stuck in the car.
You're stuck in a car.
Yeah, I got out.
Alright, there we go.
He's trying to paint us. No. The person's trying to paint us. Oh,
What's he doing?
now he's trying to paint with the person.
Trying to paint?
With the person.
Oh my goodness.
He's trying to pick up me, but they can't. Because I'm sitting down in the chair. They can't pick me up while I'm in the chair.
Oh, okay.
Safe place to be right now.
Alright, that is... Oh,
Ooh, that looks good.
it does, doesn't
I
it?
like it.
This one, I almost forgot. Put it down here in the corner. This is our something with a lid or cover, and it is the food. And our washi tape. We gotta have some washi tape, colorful washi tape, it said.
I'm just so satisfied. That sounds so satisfying.
Okay, now it's done. All right, so we have a person or animal emotion. We have something with a lid or cover. We have an image from a magazine. We had anything associated with water. And we have an old telephone number. And we have a bonus is a colorful washi tape. So there we have it. That is our week 43 all in a bag. Yay. And I did it again. Oops. Okay, I'm going to stick it right there.
I'm playing this game and it's
And
funny.
let's glue it on the side there to...
This person's building a house for me in the game.
Like that.
Are you going to
And then
make a
let's
couch for us?
cut that up. Do it.
Asking this person, can they make a couch?
There. Then we got that one. Fold it out and then put it in. There we go. There we have it. Okay, thank you muches for watching. I hope you enjoy yourself this week and you have a fun time doing your weekly collage challenge. Hey, bye. See you on the next go round.